What's good, y'all? What's good, YouTube? What's good, y'all? We back again, yo. So I'm not going to do a reaction. So I'm not going to post this video on my reaction channel. See, I got my Google verification code, Google AdSense code, man. Yo, let me tell you something. I'm really happy because this thing literally takes months, weeks for people to get theirs. But this thing, it only took me 9 days, bro. It was about 1 week and I think 2 days or three days. And I got my Google verification code, man. I'm going to, unpack it and enter it in my AdSense account for you to see how it's done in 2024. So stay with me. Let me give you this clue. I don't have a PO Box account. So like I'm in Ghana and it's not by force to have a PO Box account, alright? So this is what I did. I went to the post office, to ask for a PO Box account, and they told me that I have to rent the account for 250 cedis. It's something like $20 or $22 somehow for a year. And I was like, I'm only going to use it once, so why should I rent the PO Box account? So this is what I did. I came back home. I went back to my Google AdSense, went to my payment info and my address verification, that place, and I input the name of the post office, the location of the post office. I put it in, I put my name on it, and I put my number under it, bro. And guess what? It worked. When it came, there was a woman there. She literally called me and was like, yo, your Google AdSense verification code is in, so come for it. I was like, yo, I don't have a post office address, but this is how I did it. I don't know if I can show you to the camera, but I will definitely put it out on the screen for you to see how I did it. Alright, so let's get in. I'm going to, so this is all you have to do. Let's get it. Ooh, bro, I'm so happy, bro, because a lot of people have been complaining that their AdSense verification code is not in. They've been waiting for months, bro. For months, they are not getting their AdSense verification code. If you don't enter your location properly, that's when you're going to have issues with it. Alright, if you don't enter it properly, you're going to have issues with it. So always make sure you have the correct info. You fill out the correct info in there before you can get it. If you put in information that is wrong, that's when you're going to have issues with it. Alright, so mine literally took 9 days to arrive. A lot of people, theirs took about months, weeks for them to get their verification code. Alright, so mine took 9 days to arrive. And yo guys, bro, I'm so happy, bro, because I have some money in my AdSense account that got stuck for about weeks, months, because I did not put my address there. I was like, when I fill out this thing, my AdSense info, I was like, okay, I'm done with it. So I did not check out this thing. Oh yeah. Alright, should I show it to you? Okay, let me blur this, please. Let me blur this part. This is it. Okay, let me show you the first two, and this is where the pin is. Alright, this is where the code is. So you are going to enter the code in your AdSense verification side. Alright, so let's enter it and see what will happen. I'm going to blur some part for you because I don't want you to see that. Yeah, because this is a critical information. Alright, you sign into the Google AdSense, then you go to payments. Alright, let's go to payments. Then you go to verification. When you click on the payment, as you can see, I have about $208.21 here in my account. Alright, so you go to verification check. Alright, yeah, when you switch on to the verification check, you can see my identity verification has been completed. It's left with my address verification that needs attention. Alright, yeah. Alright, so let me enter the code in it. Oh shit. Okay, after entering the code, then you will click on submit, and let's see what will happen as you can see here, it says address verification completed. Address verification completed. So you can go ahead and set payments, go to payments and set your payments this thing for. Alright guys, so that's it. Alright, that's it. I've entered it and now my AdSense is verified, so I don't have any problem with that again. Let me know what you think about this video down in the comment box. Alright, if you got any question that you want to ask me, I'm available. Make sure you put it down in the comments. I'll answer you real quick.